Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I am making some Southwest survival mix. I'm using my 24-inch by 3-inch deep Cajun Classic cast iron skillet. It basically has 3 pounds of ground beef, 3 cans of corn, 4 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can tomato sauce, 1 can black beans, 2 can pinto beans, 1 can kidney beans, and 1 can of navy beans. About 5 cups of rice, taco seasoning, chili powder, cumin, cup of diced onions, dehydrated diced onions, couple tablespoons of garlic. Did I say cumin? Taco seasoning, yeah, okay, yeah. So basically season to taste. I didn't add any cayenne to it this time. But there it is, and let me get this here, stir it up here. If you like the video, please pound that thumbs up button. It helps me with YouTube's analytics. Also, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notifications of my next video. Also, we love comments, so don't forget to type a comment down below. And once you've done that, share it out to your friends. Let them enjoy the video as well. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'm going to put the lid on it, let it finish cooking for another 20 minutes at a low temperature. Alrighty. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.